I read a study this week that claimed that around 60% of adolescents would prefer to communicate via text message over face-to-face interaction. I think we would all agree that communication is a foundational life skill that we want to champion in each of our students. To that end, at Rogers Park Montessori School, we are really intentional in the way that we set up expectations around students' communication with one another. For instance, in the Children's House, the elders in each of the classrooms help to shepherd the newest students into their classroom communities. Even from a young age, we help students understand how their interactions and the grace and courtesy that they bring to them can influence their abilities to work. As students get older, that collaboration takes on greater meaning as they work to create projects and solve problems together. Within the Aspen classroom, students are forced out into the world during their 8th grade business internships and asked to collaborate with an area business in order to understand what exactly it means to live in the real world. This collaboration extends also to the teachers and the faculty. They work together on lesson plans and projects that engage the students in a meaningful way. The goal being that as we send our students out into the world, that they have a strong base in an ability to communicate and collaborate, even if they're not using a text message.